So again, under RMC number 087-2024, upon the passage or effectivity of the IOCTA, we have this particular question. Considering that the tax return filing is required to be done electronically, how can the attachments to the tax returns be submitted, if any? So, saka ka lang magsasubmit kapag may attachments. Pero kung wala namang attachments, then of course you have nothing to submit. So the attachments shall also be likewise filed electronically using the electronic audited financial statements or EAFS or e-submission facility, whichever is applicable. In case of unavailability of said facilities, the attachments can be submitted manually to the BIR district office that has jurisdiction over the taxpayers. So ayon sa RR 22-2024, online or electronic pa rin ang pagpa-file ng ating attachments, as also answered under RMC number 87-2024.